If you drive a 2016 to 2018 Honda HR-V, you know the center console cup holder is crucial. And when that insert breaks or goes missing, it's a major headache that ruins the whole console experience. This replacement part from NSDOI claims to be the perfect, durable fix, a direct swap that restores full functionality. But does this simple accessory live up to the promise of OEM quality? Let's find out. We're looking specifically at the front center console cup holder insert, identified by the OEM part number 77230T7 WA02ZA. While the listing mentions a universal fit, let's be clear, this is precision engineered for the 2016, 2017, and 2018 HR-V models. That specific fitment is exactly what you want when dealing with interior trim pieces. The first thing to note is the installation process, which is genuinely simple. The product description promises easy to install, and it delivers. This is a drop-in replacement. If your original insert is just worn out or cracked, you simply pull the old one out and slide this new one into place. It clicks securely, requiring no tools, which is fantastic for anyone doing a quick DIY repair. The material itself feels robust. The manufacturer highlights durable material and long service life, and holding it, you get the impression that this isn't cheap, brittle plastic. It's designed to withstand the constant abuse that cup holders endure: hot coffee, cold sodas, and the occasional accidental spill. Since it's a single-color piece, it blends seamlessly with the existing console, maintaining that factory look. Functionally, it performs exactly as expected. It holds standard drinks securely, preventing that annoying rattling and tipping that happens when the insert is missing or damaged. It restores the utility of the console completely. For such a small, inexpensive part, the impact on the daily driving experience is huge. If you've been dealing with a wobbly or broken cup holder in your HR-V, this NSDOI insert is an essential upgrade. It's widely applicable across those 3 model years, incredibly easy to install, and built with durability in mind. It's a straightforward, high-quality replacement that gets the job done without any fuss. This is the perfect solution to restore your HR-V's interior utility back to factory standards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.